Anna and I will visit your grandparents today.
What way?
Please lock the door carefully. If you have a problem, call me.
Okay, I got it.
Goodbye, Bill.
Goodbye, Mom.
Goodbye. Have a safe trip.
This house is perfect. This is my next target.
It is time to sleep.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Bill.
The door is closed, but the window is open. Oh no, I am stuck in this curtain.
Why is this curtain so long? I need to get out quietly. It is okay. I am fine. I still look cool.
Let me check this drawer. There is nothing here.
Maybe there is money in this drawer.
I only find $50. That is not enough.
There is nothing important here. I will try the kitchen.
Wow. The food in this fridge looks very tasty.
This food smells good. I feel very hungry now.
This food is very delicious. Oh. I am full.
I will eat one banana for dessert. I will take some food for tomorrow.
Ouch! My flashlight falls away.
Mom, I hear a noise. Yes, I hear it too. I feel scared, Mom. Do not worry. I am here with you. Let's hear it again. Everything is quiet now. Maybe we are wrong. Let us sleep again, Bill.
It is too dark. I need to find my flashlight.
A mousetrap catches my hand. It hurts so much.
I want to shout. My hand!
Mom, I think I hear a scream.
Yes, I hear it too.
I feel scared, Mom.
Do not worry. I am here with you.
Let's hear it again.
Everything is quiet now. Maybe we are wrong. Let us sleep again, Bill.
I will try again. I will not give up.
There are only toys here. There is no money, no gold.
I am so angry right now. Oh no. I step on something.
Ouch! My back hurts.
I am really angry now.
I will try this room. Maybe there is money or gold inside.
Wow. This is a safe. I will use this pin and this clip. I can open it. Wow. There is money and gold here. Now I am rich. I will take all of this. Oh no. I dropped the vase and it breaks on the floor.
Mom, I hear something break.
Yes, I hear it too. I am sure there is a thief in our house. Let us go downstairs and check. Stay close to me. I will check the house. Oh my God! The living room is messy. Let's go to the kitchen. The kitchen is a mess too. Bill, run to bedroom and lock the door.
They know I am here. I need to hide now.
I will call the police.
Hello. Hello? Green Road Police, how can I help you?
Hello, there is a thief in my house. I live at 12 Green Street. Please help me.
We understand. We will come right away.
There is no good place to hide.
I will take a risk and climb down this water pipe.
I feel scared. I really don't want to fall. Oh no! I hear a police car! Ouch! Ouch! The roses hurt me!
We are here now. You are safe.
Thank God! The police are here! Help me!
We will protect you. The thief may still be near. Let us search the house carefully. Yes, sir! We found him. He is hiding in the rose garden. He is holding a bag of money and gold. You are caught.
This is the bad day of my life.
Please check your money and gold.
Thank you so much.
Everything is here. Nothing is missing. Thank you very much, officer.
We always protect people in this town.
Good night. Bill, we must lock the doors carefully next time.
Yes, yes, Mom. Good night, Mom.
Good night, Bill.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. Bye-bye.